If you think the human body has limits, think again. Today, we're embarking on a journey few people ever take deep inside your own body, where every organ, every tissue, and every single cell possesses an astonishing ability to repair and renew itself. And believe me, some of these powers are so extraordinary that even scientists find them hard to believe. Stay with me, because at any moment, a mind-blowing fact is coming your way. Are you ready to discover which parts of your body can bounce back, even from near destruction? Let's start with your body's first line of defense, the skin. Every single day, it faces a barrage of challenges, scrapes, UV rays, bacteria. Yet, it completely renews itself every 2 to 4 weeks. As the old layer sheds, new cells emerge from below. And here's the mind-blowing part. Each of these new cells has a memory. It remembers exactly what it's meant to be, ensuring your skin remains a perfect barrier. Your skin isn't just a shield. It's a living, adaptive, and incredibly intelligent system. Keep listening, because the next organ regenerates even faster, and it's a true marvel. Imagine the constant hustle inside your circulatory system. Your red blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days before they're systematically replaced. Your body produces millions of these new cells every single second to keep you going. But here's something few people know. These cells can adapt to extreme conditions. If you are at high altitude with low oxygen, experience blood loss, or are under immense stress, your body responds immediately, ramping up production. It's as if your body is quietly preparing you for survival, making you stronger than ever without you even noticing. Don't move away, because the story of our next organ is even crazier. Think about the environment inside your stomach and intestines. It's a brutal landscape filled with powerful acids, digestive enzymes, and a universe of bacteria. It's one of the harshest places imaginable. Yet, the epithelial cells lining your gut are true champions of regeneration, replacing themselves every 2 to 5 days. This is one of the fastest renewal rates in the entire body. And here is the kicker that will change how you think about your gut. These cells actually communicate with your brain. They influence your mood, your memory, and even your decision-making. While with every bite you take, your gut is silently regenerating and influencing more of who you are than you ever realized. Stick around, because the lever is next, and its abilities are about to blow your mind. The lever is the undisputed master of regeneration. It's a biological phenomenon. You could surgically remove up to 70% of it, and it would grow back to its original size. I'm not just talking about patching up damage. This is a full-scale rebuild. Every intricate structure, every vital function is completely restored. Each lever cell holds a blueprint of the entire organ, remembering its precise role and purpose. Even under the strain of toxins and injury, it adapts, detoxifies, and regrows. And here's the secret few know. The liver can actually learn from past injuries, strengthening its resilience each time it recovers. Stay tuned, because the regenerative power of our next organ is just as wild. Bones might seem solid and unchanging, like the static framework of a building, but they are incredibly alive and in a constant state of renewal. Specialized cells called osteoclasts are always at work, breaking down old, worn-out bone tissue, while another team of cells, the osteoblasts, follows right behind them, building fresh, strong bone. This dynamic process means your entire skeleton rebuilds itself roughly every 10 years. It's a slow but steady renovation. Even complex fractures, which seem catastrophic, can mend themselves perfectly under the right conditions, knitting back together with remarkable precision. Can you even imagine that level of self-repair? Stick around, because the heart's story is next, and it's a tale of surprising hope. For a long time, the heart was thought to have very limited regenerative abilities, but modern science is rewriting that story. New studies show that heart muscle cells can indeed repair and even regenerate themselves, especially in younger individuals. And here's the secret that you can use to your advantage. Regular, vigorous exercise actually stimulates this process. It encourages the heart to heal. This means that even after an event as severe as a heart attack, the body has a hidden mechanism to try and rebuild, creating a heart that can be stronger, smarter, and more resilient. And what about the command center of it all, the mind? Wait until we get there. The next section will blow your mind even further. The brain, the very seat of your consciousness, can renew itself in surprising ways. For decades, it was believed that you were born with all the brain cells you'd ever have. We now know that's not true. A process called neurogenesis continues throughout your life, especially in areas like the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory and learning. And here's a real mind blower. Your actions directly fuel this renewal. New experiences, learning a new skill, and even listening to complex music can stimulate the birth of new neurons. Every time you learn something new, you are literally building new pathways in your brain. So if you thought your mind had its limits, think again. Keep listening, because the eyes are next, and what they can do is fascinating. Your eyes might seem like delicate, fixed instruments, but even they possess a degree of self-repair. The retinal cells, which are responsible for detecting light and color, can regenerate to some extent. In certain cases of minor damage, the crucial cone and rod cells can repair themselves. And here's the amazing part. The very act of seeing can help. Light and consistent visual activity can actually accelerate this healing process. With every blink and every glance, your eyes are quietly working to renew themselves, maintaining your window to the world. Stay with me, because the lung story is next, and it's nothing short of a daily miracle. Your lungs are in a state of constant regeneration. Every single day, the epithelial cells lining your airways, which are constantly exposed to pollutants and pathogens, are regularly replaced to maintain a healthy barrier. Deeper within, reservoirs of stem cells stand ready. If there's damage from infection or irritation, these stem cells can transform into new respiratory cells, helping to maintain your vital oxygen capacity. With every single breath you take, your lungs are performing a silent, miraculous feat of renewal and defense. Don't scroll away. What your immune system does will astound you next. The immune system is the ultimate dynamic and ever-renewing defense force. It's constantly producing new soldiers. T cells and B cells, the key players in fighting off invaders, are created daily. As they encounter new threats, they build a memory to provide faster and stronger protection in the future. But here's the secret that offers incredible hope. Studies show that even older, less effective immune cells can be rejuvenated, regaining their power to defend your body. Your body is always preparing for the next battle, quietly adapting and upgrading its defenses to help you survive. And believe it or not, This is just a fraction of your body's regenerative powers. We've journeyed through the skin, blood, gut, liver, bones, heart, brain, eyes, lungs, and immune system. Every single one of these organs sends the same powerful message. Your body is an infinitely capable and resilient machine. Every breath you take, every step you make, every new experience you have, your body is being reborn. So pay attention to it. Nourish it with good food. Challenge it with exercise. And be amazed as you witness your own incredible capacity for regeneration. If this journey amazed you, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more incredible explorations. Remember, this is only the beginning. Every moment holds a new revelation about the power within you. Thanks for watching.